Hello, my name is Foreman Fred and I am the Chief Content Assistant at Construction Links Network, the only peer-to-peer digital content sharing platform for the construction, building and design community. Welcome to dispatch number 89. This dispatch highlights the news, blog shares, announcements and videos shared on the Construction Links Network over the past week. Currently there are 7,687 searchable news items, articles and blogs published on the Construction Links Network platform and 1,344 videos in the online video gallery for your viewing pleasure, including The Great COVID Hangover. On this episode of the Nesbit Connection podcast, I'll discuss what I call the Great COVID Hangover and its negative impact on workplace efficiency and company culture across a variety of industries. I'll also touch on the importance of regularly talking with your people, along with the dangers of not listening when they just might have something valuable to say. Listen to the podcast and learn more on nesbittraining.ca. 5 ways data can help construction businesses. While many people think of construction as a field that's been slow to adopt new technologies and methodologies, the reality is that the industry is full of forward-thinking builders who are already embracing data analytics. In fact, there's no reason why construction firms shouldn't be taking advantage of every tool available to make their projects more efficient and profitable. Read the blog and learn more on ontracer.com. Adabotics reaches new heights with Skyline Access Ladders. With Adabotics making use of every inch of a warehouse, their storage systems have no height limitations. As a result, when looking to manually access sections of the storage system, Adabotics reached out to the height safety experts at Skyline for a lightweight modular access ladder system that can easily integrate into their custom storage solutions. Read the case study and learn more at skylinegroupintl.com. Let's talk about upholstery. Upholstery is a fabulous way to get creative and produce a perfect, unique piece for your home, or freshen up some of your old favorite pieces into something brand new. When it comes to upholstery, there's a huge variety of things we can do with the styles and fabrics. Let us walk you through some of your options. Read the blog and learn more on sonatadesign.ca. T. Harris Environmental Management Inc. is using the digital tools of today to be in touch with tomorrow. T. Harris Environmental Management Inc., a leading Canadian environmental consulting firm in environmental services, hazardous materials management, and occupational health and safety, is proud to announce an updated look to their website at tharris.ca. The new look has a modern design, is compliant with the Accessibility for Ontarians with Disabilities Act and added information to help their clients achieve excellence in creating a safe and healthy environment. Learn more on tharris.ca. Finding the most comfortable N95 mask. Everything you need to know. Whether respiratory protection is critical PPE for your job function or if you are looking for personal use, comfort is king. Here's what you need to know about finding a comfortable N95 mask, the difference between respirators and how to ensure an airtight seal. Read the blog and learn more on dentexsafety.com. Report on proposals toward development of 2024 USHGC, USPS-HTC now available. The USHGC and USPS-HTC are model codes developed by IAPMO to govern the installation and inspection of solar energy, hydronics and geothermal energy systems, as well as swimming pool, spa, and hot tub systems, respectively, as a means of promoting the public's health, safety, and welfare. The 2024 edition of each code is being developed through a process accredited by the American National Standards Institute. Learn more and download on iapmo.org. ASSE International seeks working group members for development of National Standard ASSE 1378. ASSE International is seeking volunteers with technical backgrounds in plumbing and specific knowledge of point-of-entry anion exchange systems designed for nitrate reduction to participate in the development of ASSE 1378, performance requirements for point-of-entry anion exchange, nitrate reduction. Ideal working group candidates include jurisdictional authorities, testing lab and educational facility representatives, as well as manufacturing experts. Learn more on asse-plumbing.org. Cafeteria refinishing, effective solution for surface refinishing. Renovation usually involves replacing some things with others. With Bodak interior film you can quickly and effectively refinish all surfaces. The film is durable, so it easily withstands constant loads in such areas as cashier desks, beverage stations, etc. Another advantage is that refinishing is cheaper than buying new. It saves up to 50% of your budget. Watch the video and learn more on bodak.com. What does a sustainable ready-mix plant look like? Producers are constantly reminded that sustainability is important and essential. For a lot of us, the concept of being a sustainable business can seem complex. The Carbon Cure Guide provides a few suggestions for how you can make your plant more efficient and sustainable, all while saving money on your energy costs. Read the blog and learn more on carboncure.com. Graham's 555 Moving for Mental Health raises over $200,000. 555 Moving for Mental Health, an initiative born out of Graham President and CEO Andy Truick's commitment to building awareness of the positive impact physical activity has on mental health, more than doubles its initial fundraising goal of $100,000. The monies raised will be used to provide mental health resources for youth and adolescents on both sides of the border. Learn more on grahambuilds.com. 7 Qualities of a Successful Specialty Contractor. Need to hire a specialty contractor, but don't know where to start? While it's important to look for subcontractors that possess practical skills, there are certain characteristics to be on the lookout for to hire the best possible workers for the job. Read the blog and learn more on gobridget.com. Why you should have safety barriers in the warehouse. Is there a job more fun than driving a forklift? Driver training is critical, but it takes more than awareness and training to guard against forklift mishaps and other plant perils. That is why safety barriers are vital to comprehensive warehouse protection for vehicular and foot traffic. Read the article and learn more on keysafety.ca. Become certified Bodak installer, pass certification exam. To become a certified BODAQ installer and be eligible for us to refer projects to you and present you on our website, Certified Installers, as a trusted installer, we require that you complete our certification program. Even if you have extensive experience in the architectural film industry, we still ask that you get certified. Read the blog and learn more on bodak.com. I understand what you do. I've been writing about construction for nearly 2 decades. I've interviewed more than 1,000 people who work in the construction industry on many topics from equipment to technology to processes to best practices, so I have a good understanding of your company's goals and pain points and communications needs. Don't trust your company's marketing and communications to just any writer. Trust Nathan Medcalf Freelance. Watch the video and learn more on nathanmedcalffreelance.com. Look who's talking. Connecting pre-construction and construction solutions. The construction life cycle requires gathering data and resources in phases to ensure organization and project success. There is an order to the stages, from initial conception to project completion, that needs to be completed in a fluid, efficient process. In theory, pre-construction and construction teams should be highly collaborative, but there can be a disconnect between the 2 phases that causes disruptions to the project in the office and on the job site. Read the blog and learn more on stackct.com. 2022 IWSH Awards recognize exceptional volunteers. The International Water, Sanitation and Hygiene Foundation on Monday honored 2 volunteers for their participation and exceptional contributions to IWSH programs seeking to bring clean water and safe, reliable sanitation to those most in need. Learn more on IWSH.org. Magic Light announces the appointment of Jennifer Penton to management team. Jen joins the team with a proven track record, having spent the last 10 years in business development and project management with engineering consulting firm GHD. Prior to this, she earned a PhD at the University of Western Australia. As the daughter of Magic Light founder and CEO Tom Penton, Jen is very familiar with the company and its operations and is looking forward to bringing her passion and drive to the family company. Learn more on magiclight.com. Emma hosting virtual O&M training for engineers and facility managers on October 5th and 6th. This 8-hour course is a must-have for building engineers and facility managers who want to implement basic principles aimed at improving energy efficiency and system performance. Attendees operating in Maryland are eligible for an incentive rebate of up to 80% of enrollment costs from participating utility companies. Learn more and register on energymgmt.org. Commercial UAV Expo 2022 surpasses all prior records with 232 exhibitors and 4,100 registrants. Commercial drone professionals gathered last week for Commercial UAV Expo 2022, held at Caesars Forum in Las Vegas. The 8th annual event had 232 exhibitors and 3,405 verified professionals on site of more than 4,100 registrants from 60 countries and 48 U.S. states, cementing itself as the leading international trade show and conference focusing on the integration and operation of commercial UAS. Learn more on expouaversus.com. That wraps up this dispatch. I'm Foreman Fred. Thanks for watching.